Hello everyone, this is Yalini Ilangovan. How are you? Hope everyone is fine and happy. Let us discuss about the academic fee payment in this lockdown. I am a student and I don't understand what's happening around us. Actually, in recent days, we are trending more issues via memes, videos, and hashtags. Now we are capable of cancelling our examinations by trending the hashtags. But till now, we are not yet discussing about our school or college fee payment. Why? Think about it. Even though some meme creators discuss about it, but it won't create much impact in us. Already, we received either calls or letters from school colleges to pay the academic fees. In upcoming week, they may allow us to attend online classes only once the fees is paid. Even some of them is fighting with hunger. Probably 40% students also don't have smartphones to attend the online classes. In this critical situation, whether full fee payment is right, we are using our own or parents' mobile for attending online classes. That too recharging with our own money. Whether we need to pay full fee, reasonable fee can be paid, but in pandemic many of our families income is lost right now. They can remove the additional fee to help students because they are not providing infrastructures function, co-curricular activities, e-materials, book materials, lab, uniform, test papers, bus and others. Excluding some institution, everywhere it is happening in this lockdown, but none is ready to discuss about it. In feeling difficult with learning and writing the exams, we make the hashtag trend and cancel it. But we are not even thinking about our parents' hard work and money spending in our education. Everyone is not going to job, and those who are going to job also didn't get salary properly. Some private institution fired their teaching staffs too. Due to pandemic, they are giving only half salary to the teachers and professors in most of the institutions. Then how can they ask us to pay the full payment? Think about it. Ask for academic fee reduction. Think whether full fee payment is right because it's our parents' money, their hard work. Little drops make the mighty ocean. Act now. If not now, when? If not me, who? Education is neither Eastern nor Western. It is a human. Raise your words, not your voice. Improve your argument. Our money, our rights to ask the fee reduction. I put a question mark towards you. Hope you will understand it and move next step accordingly. It's just a beginning and I am waiting for a response. Thanks for watching our video. Like our video, share our video and share your suggestions in a comment box. Subscribe our channel and support us. Stay connected with us for more updates. Stay home, stay safe. Be happy forever. Keep on smiling.